We just got to our Alice Springs Airbnb and I'm gonna show you guys around. Alice Springs is normally really expensive to stay in. The cheapest places we could find were like $3,000 a month, but the Airbnb host was really nice and gave us a half-off discount. Definitely rack up those good reviews if you can. Anyways, it has a nice shaded parking area. Laundry.
Nice outdoor laundry.
Gorgeous desert escape and a cool little fire pit. Isn't that nice? It's like your little private backyard. Actually, I haven't checked out this area. We got a grill. Alan's gonna love the grill.
Mm-hmm.
A little outdoor seating area.
Mm-hmm.
Cool, very cool. Okay. And we just got here, so not everything's quite set up yet, but gotta keep that closed, there flies. Okay. And look at this room. This is like the, what would you call it? Kitchen slash first living room. Has AC, which is really nice because we're out in the desert and it's hot. Plants and shelves. A manual with a bunch of tourist stuff. These are pretty common in Airbnbs. Oh, a map. Storage space. A nice little couch. They have these cool art pieces. I don't know how interesting this is gonna be. Dining table. Full-sized fridge. We already put some of our stuff in here, but they left us some coffee and cold water, which is really nice. Something interesting in the freezer. A little trash can. A full-size oven, which is another thing that's really nice. Hot water maker. Ooh, it's hot. Tea, coffee. There's Tupperwares, those are always nice in Airbnbs. Tons of cookware. The big pots are really nice when we make food. Cutlery. Looks like a table runner perhaps. Tablecloths. I don't know if I would do a tablecloth tonight personally. Salad bowl. Cleaning supplies and bug spray.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I like
Some places don't come with cleaning supplies.
Yeah, I really appreciate the cleaning supplies. How swank is it? She turned on all these little candles and stuff. She was playing this like funky music when we first got in. Cool faux plants. Did I open these yet?
No, you didn't.
Those look like our plates. Cups. We kind of went out of order. Cookware. Ooh, a nice big colander and ceramic baking dish. Some extra storage space, which I've already occupied. Fab slab cutting board. Let's do the bathroom. We've already kind of moved our stuff in, but nice little bathroom. Some nice soft fluffy towels. Some Airbnbs don't have a very nice towel, but this one does. And a nice, what do you call it? Format. What's this material?
Tempur-Pedic.
Tempur-Pedic type format.
A toilet.
Wonder.
It's just a door that goes outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alan's already inspected it apparently. And that nice like open concept shower. We'll see how that goes with the water. Anything else? This is like a little second living area. I actually really like this. This is nice. It's cozy. I have to turn off those things if I remember. And a vacuum and a heater in case you need a heater in the desert. I appreciate the fact that it probably gets cold here at night.
Gets very cold in the winter.
This is gorgeous art. I like this one. It's really pretty. And full closet again. The rest of the drawers are just empty, but nice to have storage space. Like a nice comfy couch. Did you get the couch?
I did get the couch.
Couch, nice comfy couch.
Moderately comfy couch.
It'll be comfortable to work in.
Okay.
And here's the bedroom. It's small, but it's cute.
Nice sized bed.
I said that, ooh, crystals. They really went hardcore on the decorations here.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Tell me how comfortable the bed is. Lay on it. Yeah.
It's really comfortable.
Yeah, how comfortable is it?
Super.
Yeah, it's a great bed.
Oh, my back is already like releasing. We haven't had a comfortable bed in a while, so this is nice. And it's so quiet here. Just listen. Just absolutely dead quiet.
That's with the windows open too.
Oh, the windows are open?
Yeah, they're all cracked.
And this cool artwork.
It is cool artwork, it's nice.
Yeah, is there anything else? Did I miss anything?
No, I don't think so.
We did the outside already.
Yeah, they did the inside. It's not crazy.
Forgot to open the extra towels.
Oh, towels and toilet paper.
And toilet paper.
We got wipes for days, babe.
What is there? A blow dryer. That's the one thing this would be missing for me is a hair dryer.
My nose hurts.
To try?
Yeah.
Put some Vaseline on it.
It's like itching, like it's about to start bleeding.
Oh, get some Vaseline.
Cool.
Well, all right, thanks for watching our Airbnb tour. And if you want to see any future Airbnb if you want to watch any future Airbnb tours, we live out of Airbnbs full time. So go ahead and subscribe and you'll see another one soon. We're here for a month.